I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another day of Vlogmas. This is day 6 of Vlogmas. It's currently 3:08 and I'm finna read some of my book, Bridgerton. I had class today. We had a BSU, which is the Black Student Union. We had a protest today, so I'm really exhausted and wearied out because I've been working non-stop all weekend. And then all weekend I wasn't feeling good, which is why I didn't do day 3 and day 4 of Vlogmas, because I was just super really tired. So, and like exhausted, I wasn't feeling good. I ended up throwing up. I was just not feeling it. So I'm going to read and just do some. I went and sent out some emails and stuff because today is our last sorority chapter in the exec meeting. And I'm leading it because I'm president now. And it's like, it's so much stuff happening, so I just had to send out a lot of stuff, and it was just a busy day today. I'm so exhausted because I've literally been meeting with like our dean and all of that stuff like at school, and then we had a whole big meeting today and I had to type up the minutes for it, so it was just a lot. So I'm gonna relax and watch some TV, take a nap, read my book, and eat my favorite snacks. Right now my favorite snacks are these flips, like milk chocolate covered pretzels. They're so good. So I'm gonna relax because I deserve it, because I've been up since like 8 o'clock and I've been going ham. So yeah. So I just finished reading. I'm currently watching Scooby-Doo on Netflix, and I just set a 2-hour timer because I'm going to try to take a nap because I'm tired, and then I'm going to do stats and physics homework and then go to chapter and stuff later. So that should be like around 5-ish, 6 o'clock. And that's what I have planned for today. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of work because finals is around the corner. That's literally next week for me, and I only have like 2 more classes left. So this is the last week of classes, and we don't have classes on Friday for reading day. So I'm just going to get a lot of work done so I don't have to worry about it later in the week. But first, we must take a nap because in order to get work done, I believe everybody should take a nap. So I'm going to do that first.
I'll just take videos throughout chapter throughout the year because I like to recommend these. They're so much easier. This is awesome. Yeah, why did I call it a sloth? If anybody thinks the Forrest Gump clue. Got it.